So let me run you through on how to assemble the STT400 Sherpa Premium Combi trailer. The only tools you're going to need for this job is a Phillips head screwdriver, and I've used a ratchet with a 17mm and a 13mm socket, but you can use a spanner as well. So when you've opened the box, you'll get a fixings kit. I've just laid all mine out nice and neatly just to make sure I've got everything I need for the job. And then I've done the same with the bigger parts in the box. Again, spread them out nice and evenly, make sure you've got everything that you need for the job. So starting off with the 2 axle support plates. So you'll need 8 M8 by 16 bolts. The washers and nuts should already be with the bolts themselves. When lining the support plates up, make sure the plates themselves are the right way round. Check this by making sure the plates at the top create a tube. This is for the axle to slide through. Make sure all the bolts are only done finger tight for now. You'll then need 10 M10 by 25 bolts. Grab the plastic tray and rest it somewhere you're comfortable with, as you'll need access from both sides of the tray. Lay the support plates on the underside of the tray, as shown, then each bolt should have a washer on both sides. Again, only finger tight for now. Then you'll need the V-shaped support plate and the handle assembly. When fitting the handles, make sure the spring-loaded pin is fitted into the second hole as shown. Please do not use the first one. So to assemble the V-shaped support plate and the handles, you'll need 6 M8 by 60 bolts. Again, the washers and nuts should be with them. You'll then also have 2 plastic spacers. Again, tipping the tray on its side may be easier, as you'll need access to both sides. Slide the bolts through the support plate first, then through the handles, with the washer and nuts going on after. Finger tight, remember. Then it's basically the same for the side of the tray. This time you'll need to use the plastic spacers in between the tray and the handles themselves. Now grab your axle bar and slide it through just before you get to the middle. Then get the multifunctional tow bar and slide the axle through the hole shown. And finish off by sliding the axle through the other side of the support plates. Next up, it's the wheels. 3 washers are given per side, 2 are used behind the wheel and 1 in front, then finish off with the pin clips. Now it's time to finally tighten all your fixings, making sure the trailer is nice and sturdy. So this is the STT400 in its wheelbarrow mode. You can tip the barrow nice and easily with just a pull on the tipping lever. Then to change the wheelbarrow to a trailer, simply tip the barrow backwards, take off the R-clip and slide the pin out, extend the bar, then refit the pin and R-clip in the trailer holes like I've done. Super easy to do and an absolute game changer. Hope this has helped, and thanks for watching.